Louisiana Water and Water Courses Quiz Part 2. Number 6. If a party possesses without interruption land within visible bounds for 30 years, and this land is more than their title calls for, how shall the boundary be fixed? A. According to the more ancient title. B. According to the original title descriptions. C. According to the limits established by prescription. Or D. By the court-appointed surveyor's discretion. Answer C. When a party proves acquisition prescription, the boundary shall be fixed according to the limits established by prescription rather than titles. If a party and his ancestors in title possessed for 30 years without interruption within visible bounds more land than their title called for, the boundary shall be fixed along these bounds. Number 7. How is a boundary fixed extrajudicially? A. By judgment from a court. B. By a written agreement between the parties. C. The placement of markers by a single owner. Or D. By an oral agreement between the parties. Answer B. The boundary is fixed extrajudicially when the parties, by written agreement, determine the line of separation between their lands with or without reference to markers on the ground. Number 8. According to the general rule regarding the costs of fixing a boundary judiciously, how are they typically shared? A. Borne entirely by the party who lost the suit. B. Borne by the person who incurred them. C. Shared equally between the adjoining owners. Or D. Paid by the court as its public service. Answer C. The general rule is that fixing of a boundary is a benefit of both parties to the action, and hence costs should be shared. Number 9. By virtue of the equal footing doctrine, when did the state of Louisiana acquire title to the beds and the bottoms of all navigable water bodies up to the ordinary high water mark? A. On the date of the Louisiana Purchase, 1803. B. Upon the state's admission to the Union, 1812. C. When the swamp land grant was passed in 1849. Or D. When the Constitution of 1974 was adopted. Answer B. The state acquired title to the beds and bottoms of navigable water bottoms in the state upon the state's admission to the Union in 1812. Number 10. What is the fundamental public policy established by the Louisiana Constitution regarding the bed of navigable water body? A. It must be sold to the highest bidder for public use. B. It can be reclaimed by the state of military use. C. The legislature shall neither alienate nor authorize the alienation of the bed. Or D. It can be leased for residential purposes. Answer C. The legislature shall neither alienate nor authorize the alienation of the bed of a navigable water body except for purposes of reclamation by the riparian owner to recover land lost through erosion. For the rest of the quiz, watch part 3, and remember that you are the
Surveyor in training!